What would be the minimum barang asas that you think should have at home?
Saya ni seorang pakar perunding kanan, perubatan kecemasan di Jabatan Kecemasan Hospital Ampang.
First aid kit.
First aid kit lah.
Ya, first aid kit lah. Dalam tu ada apa? Ada gauze.
AED?
Ada tu. AED tak payahlah. Kalau you nak lagi bagus.
Okay.
Kalau ada bagus dekat rumah. Tapi kalau you ada potential, memang ada orang yang berpenyakit, letak AED kat rumah tu, wah, kira bagus lah kan. So but tak payahlah.
Tak payah sampai tahap tu lah.
Tak betul lah. Tapi first aid kit cukup. The understanding of how to do first aid.
Then basic life.
Basic life support. Dua tu je. And then who to call. For example lah, I just give a simple example kan. If where we are today in the studio, where's the nearest hospital? This community tak tahu tau. You can ask everybody, they will not know. Or how long does it take to bring down the patient? If you call 999, how long does it take them to come here?
Yeah.
So during that time, what can you do? So if you do nothing, that particular time period, memang kalau nak jadi complication, time tu lah jadi.